Good evening, all. I'm Bharathi from Edu Skills family. I don't know what to tell only. Through this discussion, I learned so many things. Before telling about that, I want to my sincere thanks to our Almighty God first. Then I will show my gratitude towards our beloved mentor for the Salim Joseph. And it's not lost, but it's very important. I need to say heartful of gratitude to Nitya ma'am and Mini ma'am, because so many times we do mistake. But even though, like how the mother will take care of the child, like that they used to take care of us with love. So I want to say a sincere thanks to you both, ma'am. Thank you so much. Even though we didn't follow your instructions so many times, but with kind-hearted, you helped us. Because of you, we learned so many things. And being a admin group also, when we started early, but we have the opportunity to go through only reading and listening. We don't have much idea about writing and speaking. But because of this discussion group, because of you both guidance only, I learned how to write a letter with proper guidance. You lead us. So I want to say a sincere thanks for that. And not only that, before see, I came from a Tamil medium, even though I don't know how to speak English properly. And because of the age skills I learned, my husband, even my colleagues, everyone, they know English very well because they come up from the nice background. They know English very well. Whenever I go out and talk something, no, I have the subject knowledge, but I'm afraid to talk in front of others. So after joining Age Skills, now I don't have that hesitate to talk in front of others. So many of my colleagues, they only talk English, and but I don't have the atmosphere to talk English to with anyone. So through going through age skills videos, I learned so many things. Before, whenever see, I thought of practicing age skills videos. Means the writing task or any modules. I used to keep the time. My conscious is on the time, but I won't see properly in the sentence what it's talking about, because I have some knowledge. Means language barrier. But even though that time I only understand the few things, but I don't know exactly what is going to speak. But after learning father strategies, I can able to apply correctly where the answer is and what's the reason behind that. So it's all because of EduSkills platform. It's all credits goes to the father and as well as the admin panel. So I say my sincere gratitude to you all. Thank you so much, ma'am. Not only that, whenever we open the video of Age Skills, its father will start with learning made easy by following Age Skills strategies. So that time, when I saw the video first time, I don't know. See, I realized after watching few videos of fathers, then I can understand that. Then and so many synonyms I learned through this, and now I'm able to talk in front of others without fear. That is because of the group discussion I learned, and it improves our learning skills. And I think you all heard about, there is a Chinese proverb. It says that if you hear, you will forget. And if you see, you will remember. If you do, you know. So likewise, when we see, we'll forget. Means when you hear, you will forget. If you see, you will remember, but you don't know how to do. When you do, you have a better understanding. So for doing things, group discussion is the best place. See, we used to watch father's video, but without practicing, we won't get that confident to beat our greatest enemy, time, right? So you all please follow the guidelines of our father. And not only that, I personally felt EduSkills is the best platform for practicing quality materials. See, we no need to practice more things. Instead, we'll practice one material with strategies that help us to gain our confidence, and that will lead us to success. So, hope it's clear to you. And not only that, because of this platform, we learned. See, if someone is making mistake, it's someone is to correct that. So that is the discussion, right? See, if we are practicing alone, we don't know what exactly we are making the mistake. If we are presenting with someone, they will tell you exactly you're making mistake, please correct that, so next time we won't do that mistake. So many things we can learn from group discussion. If we talk about group discussion, there is no time to complete it. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Nitya ma'am and Mini ma'am, your constant support. Thank you so much.